Oh, just now?
Yeah, I'm in Udaipur.
Just now where I come from?
Yeah, Udaipur.
I come
in Rajasthan.
Yeah, I came from Jaipur now.
Jaipur.
Once again, I'm at a train station. This time, I'm now in Udaipur, in India. I've got another tuk-tuk driver. I've just negotiated the price. He wanted 200.
No.
We've negotiated 150.
180,
150 and a packet of biscuits.
180.
We'll see, maybe 180. So I'm going to be here for a couple of days, exploring, seeing what there is to see. It's supposedly a very nice city, so let's try not get run over. Go check into the hostel and then do some exploring. Well, this has got to be the newest, cleanest, shiniest tuk-tuk I've ever seen. Brand new. It even has doors. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Shukriya. Hello.
How are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm fine. Me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah, you know my name.
Asif.
So this place seems pretty decent so far, and it's £6 a night. We have a fan, bed with big storage underneath, private bathroom for just the people in this room. So yeah, nice and simple, nice and cheap, and not a rock hard mattress either. The mattress seems alright. So that's it for the room tour. There's not much to it. Time to go explore. Okay, so my first stop here in Udaipur is the City Palace. So I'm just on my way trying to find it now. But also I think it's starting to try and rain, so we might be up against the weather. But I don't think it's very far, like a 5-minute walk maybe from where I am. Okay, so I'm in the City Palace. Ticket was 300 rupees. Not a bad price. The guide wanted 500 for a tour. Obviously, I said no. But it really does look like it's going to rain as well. So, I don't know how long I'll have here before we get rained off. Been at the Jaipur City Palace on. Very nice it was too. Really nice, and there was a lot to explore. Loads of little corridors and rooms, and yeah, really pretty inside. Definitely worth doing, and it was definitely worth the 300 rupees, and no need for a guide really. So that's probably it for the first day in Jaipur. Hit subscribe for a new video every day. See ya.